Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to resize video in CapCut PC. Alright, um, if you want to resize the video, you are just going to click on the resolution option at the top. So you can change for the resolution and then frame rate. And after you change the size, the size can be changed. Right? For example, I'm going to change for the frame rate. You can see the size has been changed. Alright, that's how you can change the size of the video in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.